If you use Google Chrome on Windows and want to back up your saved sites, move them to another browser, or keep a copy of your bookmarks in case you ever need them later, this video is going to help. Today I'll show you exactly how to export bookmarks from Chrome in Windows in just a few simple steps. It's quick, easy, and you do not need any extra software. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows computer. Once Chrome is open, you're going to open the Bookmark Manager. The fastest way to do that is by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and O on your keyboard at the same time. That will take you directly to the Bookmarks page where all of your saved bookmarks are listed. Once the Bookmark Manager opens, look to the top right corner of that page. You'll see the 3 vertical dots icon there. This is the menu you need for bookmark options. Click those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, look for the option that says Export Bookmarks. Click that option and Chrome will now ask you where you want to save the file. A save window will appear on your screen, and this is where you can choose the folder or location on your computer where you want to store the exported bookmarks file. You can save it to your desktop, downloads folder, documents, or anywhere that is easy for you to find later. Next, give the file a name if you want to change it, and make sure the file is saved as an HTML file. Once everything looks good, click Save. Chrome will then export all of your bookmarks into that file and store it in the location you selected. That's it. Your bookmarks are now exported and backed up on your Windows PC. You can use this file later to import your bookmarks into another browser or another Chrome profile whenever you need to. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple step-by-step tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.